Today, I will show you how to install third-party apps from anywhere in Windows 11, even apps that do not come from the Microsoft Store. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, open Settings by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. Next, go to Apps, then select Advanced App Settings. Here, you will see an option called Choose Where to Get Apps. By default, this is usually set to Microsoft Store only. Click the drop-down menu and change it to Anywhere. That is it. This single setting allows Windows 11 to install apps from any source. Now, let's install a third-party app. Open your web browser and download the app you want. For example, a setup file with an EXE or MSI extension. In this example, I am installing Notepad++. Once the download finishes, double-click the installer file. If Windows shows a security warning, click More Info, then select Run Anyway. This is normal for apps that are not from the Microsoft Store. Follow the installation steps, and the app will install normally. If the app is still blocked, there is one more thing to check. Go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Open App and Browser Control, then click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Make sure Check Apps and Files is turned on. Do not worry, this does not block third-party apps. It only warns you about unsafe ones. That is all you need. With this setting enabled, you can install software from websites, developers, USB drives, or anywhere else, while still staying protected in Windows 11.